astrophysicist because I find beauty in the complexity of our universe and seeking answers to the many questions attached to it. I firmly believe that curiosity is an emotion that highly resonates with me. And even as I stand here before you tonight, I am driven by my curiosity and my desire to find solutions to the problems our societies undergo. Thank you.
Your question is, what lessons have you learned from past failures or setbacks?
Thank you so much for the question, ma'am. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, once again, respected panel of judges. Well, from my past setbacks and failures, I have learned to never give up, to follow your instincts, to follow your passion. I encourage everyone to follow your passion, follow your dreams, because when you do, no challenges, no failures, no setbacks feels like failure. Thank you.
Our next contestant making it to top 7 is contestant number 10, Anon Konyak. Congratulations, contestant number 10.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
How do you think technology has impacted relationships and communication in modern society?
Thank you so much for the question, ma'am. Well, in my opinion, technology has impacted negatively and has affected negatively in our communication skill. Since most of us in this generation prefer texting over writing and speaking, it has affected our skills development like body language and emotional expression. I also believe that due to reduction in face-to-face conversation, it has also affected our grammatical skills too. Thank you.
Let me introduce our first finalist to secure a spot in the top 4 is contestant number 10, Anon Konyak. Congratulations. The second question is, if you were crowned Miss Nagaland, what initiatives would you focus on during your reign?
Thank you so much for the question, ma'am. Well, if by God's grace I am crowned the new Miss Nagaland, I would firstly advocate for 2 causes that are very close to my heart. First, being environmental sustainability, and second, being education. Because environmental sustainability should not be a choice, but it should be our responsibility to ensure that our earth thrives for future generations to come. And I strongly believe that education should not be a privilege, but it should be a right. Secondly, I would serve as a role model for young youths and aspiring beauty queens. Last but not the least, I would celebrate beauty with purpose, because that is what I firmly stand for. Thank you.
Thank you very much, contestant number 10. And the winner of Miss Nagaland 2024 is contestant number 10, Anon Konyak. Congratulations, contestant number 10.
Miss Nagaland 2024 will receive cash prize of rupees 2 lakhs, sponsored by our Honorable Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Shri P. Barwam Konyak. She will also get a direct entry to Miss Notice 2025. Gift hamper by Atomic India. She will also receive gift voucher by Abis and gift hamper. She will also receive scholarship worth rupees 30,000.
Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Don't stop cheering, guys. Our new Miss Nagaland 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the new Miss Nagaland 2024